It's a very nice use. Do you understand how we can use nikhil for subtraction? For see here, 4623 minus 3576. We know number is Nikhilesh minus Nikhil. Obviously, Nikhil is Nikhilesh minus number. And so, you can say that if you want to subtract the number, then subtracting number is nothing but minus Nikhilesh plus Nikhil. Well, we can make a rule. You can say to subtract the number, add Nikhil and subtract Nikhilesh. You know, Nikhilesh has the number of digits equal to number of the Nikhil also. Only one will be subtracted only. And so we can say, we can put this way. So subtracting number, nothing but this is Nikhilesh and this is Nikhil. So this means minus 1, that you understand. This symbol says minus 1. And so now we come here, see here. We can take Nikhil of this number, so we can put it here. So 3, 6, 5, 4, 7, 2 and 6, 4. And we cancel this, we put this one and we add the both. Let us see. Addition is there, it is 7, this is 4, 10, 1 and 5, 11, 1 and 1 subtracted. Answer is 1043. See, it's very simple. So if you add the 2, you must get this one. 7, 13, 1, 5, 12, 1, 6, 1, 4. So addition of these two is this. So subtraction is true. You can see it becomes very simple. So to subtract a number, what we need is you put up Nikhil, add it and subtract Nikhilesh. We know Nikhilesh has the number of the zeros equal to number of the digits of the number or number of the Nikhil also. And so we put only this sign before it. So subtraction becomes simple. Let us see another one. If you want to subtract this number, so we shall find out the Nikhil. 3, 6, 6, 3, 2, 7, 8, 1, 7, 2, and 1, 9. Last from 10, remaining from 9. Put Nikhilesh here, remove this one, add the both. So it is 12, 3, 1, 15, 4, 11, carry 1. This cancel out. Answer is simple. This will be most useful when there are mixed operations, addition and subtraction together. Then this will be more useful. Let us see the illustration. 5876. Let us get all this. Let us see how we can. So, 6, nickel of these 6, 7, 8, 6 and nickel is before it. This to be added, this to be subtracted, all from 9, last from 10, this to be added, this to be subtracted, addition of all this together. Do you remember? This sign gives the -1. 6, 12, 15, 17, 23, 27, 2, 9, 17, 25, 30, 37, 38, 3, 11, 18, 25, 33, 35, 41, 4, 9, 15, 17, 23, 24, -1, 23, 2, -1 is 1, -1, 0. This is the answer. So you can see you don't need to add these 3 and add these 3 and to subtract. Only you should put nickelish to be subtraction and remaining is nickel. Nickel to be added, nickel is to be subtracted. So it becomes very simple. Well, let us try to adjust our method with traditional method. See. We shall think you say 6 cannot be subtracted from 2. So we take carry. We put this time. It will take 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. We can think this in another way also. If number cannot be subtracted, add its nickel. Nickel of 6 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Put sign here. So that is nickelish. Either this way or I can see. If you put this way or you put this way. You should understand that now this sign is replaced by this sign. It makes same thing. That shows that you have to subtract 1. See, we don't cancel it here. We don't put 2 here. We consider that 1 is taken and that this sign will show 1 is taken. So, when number cannot be subtracted, put nickelish here to be subtracted. So, either they put this or asterisk sign, it makes no difference. And so, take the nickel of the number and add it here. For example, here, 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 cannot be subtracted. So, we put up sign here. Nickel of 8 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Minus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 1, 2. Point. 7 cannot be subtracted. Put sign here. That is nickelish. Nickel of 7 is 3. Add it here. They are getting 9. 5 minus 1, 4, minus 2. Let us cross check it. 6, 12, 1, 5, 13, 1, 3, 4, 9, 10, 16, 1, 3, 5. That means subtraction is 2. So, work of nickel can be adjusted with the traditional method. So, the students will not find difficulty and the teachers will not say, what is there? This is taking the carry from here. So, they can say, it's simple. So, main thing is, The traditional method doesn't allow the student to think in our regular tradition. See what we do here, they cancel it here, put 2, put 12 here, as if that I am having suppose 2 rupees in my pocket, I need to pay 6 rupees, I borrow 10 rupees, put in my pocket, make it 12, take it out and pay 6. No, that's not a good way at all. Best is, what we are doing is, carry 1 from here, so Nikhilesh is there, showing carry. The 10, you subtract 6, so 10 minus 6 is nothing but is the Nikhil, so Nikhil to be added here. So we make the rule, if number cannot be subtracted, add its Nikhil and subtract Nikhilesh. So it becomes very simple, and by this way, this becomes very, very simple. See, I need to take you here 200.300 minus 143.268. See, there are zeros. And so if you take 1 from here, here will be Nikhilesh. So I put here, I take a 1, so it is 100. 100 minus 68, obviously this is Nikhilesh minus number, so it's Nikhil 6398210. See the way. 3 minus 1 is 2, 0. Point. Same way here. I carry 1 from here, so there is 100. It is Nikhilesh of 43. So subtraction can be done this way, 5, 7. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. See, subtraction becomes simple. So there are the different ways how Nikhil can be used. Should be kept in mind that here there should not be n number more. You don't need, suppose it is 7 here, then subtraction should be carried first. In spite of this method, the former method is very simple. Put the Nikhilesh at the Nikhil. So here also that we can say, if we put it here, then like this one, 8 cannot be subtracted. So Nikhilesh to be subtracted, and Nikhil of 8 is 2 added here. Here no subtraction possible. Subtract Nikhilesh, add Nikhil of 6 is 4, minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 is 0. Same way here, you can put this one, Nikhilesh, 10 minus 3 is 7. So that is, 7 is Nikhil of 3. Not possible, so put Nikhilesh here. Nikhil of 4 is 6, minus 1 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 0. So there are different ways how Nikhil can be used. 2.